What if everything you thought you knew about cotton was about to change? Imagine a tiny seed sprouting under a warm sun, growing into a bright, fluffy cotton plant. Picture endless fields where cotton sways gently in the breeze. Now think about how that humble plant begins an incredible journey, transforming into the soft fabric that clothes us every day. In this story, we uncover the hidden process where nature meets hard work and innovation. Are you ready to discover how raw cotton turns into the fabric we wear? Welcome. In this video, we take you inside the world of cotton. We begin in vast sunlit fields where cotton is grown and nurtured by skilled farmers who have honed their craft over generations. Here, nature and tradition work together to create the raw material that will soon be transformed. From the fields, cotton is gathered and sent to processing mills where it is cleaned, combed, and prepared for its next stage. After processing, the cotton is spun into thread and eventually woven into fabric. This fabric becomes the material for the clothes we wear and the textiles we use every day. Today, we explore each step of this remarkable journey from the seed in the field to the finished product that shapes our daily lives. First, think about the journey of cotton. Traditional methods have been used for generations to grow and process cotton. But today, the industry is always asking, can we do this better? By questioning old ways, farmers and workers find new, more efficient techniques. This spirit of inquiry leads to improvements that make the entire process more effective. Next, learning is at the heart of progress. Every step from growing cotton in the field to spinning it into thread offers a chance to learn and innovate. People in the textile industry study new methods and tools, always looking for ways to improve quality and reduce waste. By staying open to new ideas, they ensure that each stage of the process evolves over time. Finally, change is not something to fear, but an opportunity to grow. As new technologies and methods emerge, they help transform raw cotton into the fabric that clothes us. When the industry embraces change, it creates better products and opens up new possibilities. This willingness to adapt not only drives innovation, but also ensures that the industry remains strong and vibrant. Production process. The journey of a t-shirt. This process is much more than turning cotton into fabric. It also shapes the global fashion industry. Every step in the production process affects trends, quality, and the way clothes reach people around the world. From the very beginning, the way cotton is processed influences global fashion. Every choice made along the journey has an impact on how clothing looks and feels, and it helps set industry standards for quality and sustainability. Once the cotton is harvested, it goes through a critical step called ginning. In this stage, seeds and impurities are removed, leaving only the clean, soft fibers behind. This careful separation is important because it lays the foundation for all the work that follows. The clean cotton fibers are then spun into yarn. Spinning twists the fibers together to form a strong, even thread. The quality of this yarn is very important. It determines the durability and texture of the fabric that will later become a t-shirt. Next, the yarn is woven into fabric. During weaving, the threads are interlaced in a precise pattern, creating a smooth and durable material. This woven fabric serves as the basis for the t-shirt and is carefully crafted to be both comfortable and long-lasting. After the fabric is woven, it is dyed. In the dyeing process, the fabric is immersed in carefully prepared color solutions. The goal is to achieve a consistent, vibrant color throughout the material. This step not only enhances the look of the fabric, but also adds to its overall quality. Once the fabric is dyed and dried, it is spread out and cut into pieces that match the t-shirt pattern. Precise cutting is essential to ensure that every piece fits together perfectly. This step minimizes waste and ensures that the t-shirt will have the right shape and size. After the t-shirts are sewn together, each garment is carefully folded, tagged, and packaged. Good packaging is important because it protects the t-shirt during shipping and gives it a professional presentation when it reaches the customer. Finally, the packaged t-shirts are sent through a global distribution network. This means they travel from the manufacturing facility to retail stores or directly to customers around the world. This step connects all the hard work of the textile industry with the people who wear the clothes every day. Each stage of this journey, from separating the cotton fibers to shipping the final t-shirt, plays a vital role in creating high-quality apparel that meets the demands of the global fashion industry. Let's take a closer look at the lessons we can carry away from this journey. First, always challenge old ways. By asking, is there a better method? We open the door to improvements in every stage of production. Second, never stop learning. Each step, from the field to the factory, offers a chance to grow and adopt new techniques. Third, see change as an opportunity. Embracing new technology and methods leads to better products and a stronger industry. These principles, questioning, learning, and welcoming change, are the foundation of progress in the textile world. In conclusion, the journey of cotton from field to fabric shows us that challenging tradition, embracing learning, and welcoming change are key to progress. Every step from harvesting cotton to delivering a t-shirt reminds us that even long-standing practices can improve with innovation. Now think about how these lessons apply to your own life. How can you question routine, learn something new each day, and see change as an opportunity? If this message resonates with you, please share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of textile innovation. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to inspire progress together.